how to add money on Revolut. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can add money or funds to your Revolut account through the Revolut app. So first you want to open up the app and you want to go to the home page here and you want to click on where it says add money right here. It's going to give you the option to add a debit card to your account. So what you want to do is enter in the credit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV. And once you have entered in your card details, all you have to do is click on continue. It might ask you to verify yourself. Once you have done so, you can go ahead and add in any amount of money that you want to your Revolut account. So I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.